How to set up PayPal payments in WooCommerce. So in this video today, I'll be showing you step by step on how you can actually set up WooCommerce PayPal payments. So it's very easy to do and it's very simple. So let's show you that today. So firstly, you can see I'm currently on my WordPress website. Now, firstly, you're going to want to make sure that you actually have the WooCommerce website plugin. Now, you can actually find that by heading over to the plugins, add new, and then going over and searching up WooCommerce and then go ahead and actually typing it in. Now you should be able to see it right here. If you don't already have it, go ahead and activate it and install it. Now once you've actually done that, you'll be able to see that you will get kind of like a little WooCommerce icon here on the left hand panel. Now if we go ahead and click settings, you should be able to see that in the settings we head over to payments, that we don't have the PayPal option, although it does say right here discover other providers. We don't have it here. We cannot finish the setup with it. Now in order for us to actually get the PayPal payments with WooCommerce, all we have to do is do this right here. So on the left hand panel right here, you can see where my cursor's at. You're going to want to make your way down to the plugins page. Now go ahead and click add new under plugins. Once you do that, it should send you to this page right here. Now, once you've done that, head over to the search plugins and search up WooCommerce PayPal. Now, make sure you go ahead and search that, and you should be able to see that we actually have a WooCommerce PayPal payments plugin. Now, all we have to do is click install now and install it. Now, once that is done, it should give you an activate button. Now, go ahead and click the activate button here. Now, it should take a little bit for it to actually activate, but you can see here PayPal payments is almost ready to get started. Connect your account, but we're not going to connect it just yet. So you're going to want to head over to WooCommerce here and head over to the settings page. Now, make sure you actually head over here where the settings are at, and under settings, head over to payments. Now, once you've clicked payments, you should now be able to see that we actually have PayPal at the drop down right here. So all we have to do is prioritize it at the top, and now we're going to want to go ahead and enable and finish the setup. Now, this is pretty much easy. You could just do this yourself. You can finish the setup. It's pretty much straightforward. So just go ahead and click enable, and you'll be able to actually log into your PayPal account. You can see that we now get redirected to this page, and all we have to do is just click the little blue button here that says activate PayPal. Now go ahead and click it, and you should be able to actually get that right. So basically, it's pretty much straightforward from there. That's how you enable PayPal payments on WooCommerce. It's very simple and it's super easy. So if you found this video very helpful, please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribing to the channel. That being said, leave a comment down below about what other videos I should make regarding some of your problems that you're currently having. That being said, have a nice day, everybody, and I'll see y'all until next time.